Good morning. My name is Andrew Smith, Lone Star Home Group here at Keller Williams Realty. Today, again, I'm joined by Conan Henry with Mid-America Mortgage. Today, Conan's going to share some information with you about mortgages if you were thinking about taking out a loan. Question I have for you today, Conan, is what are mortgage points?
Mortgage points are essentially extra funds that you put into the cost of your mortgage up front that allow you to have a lower interest rate. And so the way I like to describe the process is when you lock your interest rate, it's similar to a ladder. You can climb up this ladder, you can climb down this ladder. If you pay these points that we're talking about, you're actually going to have a lower interest rate and take a lower rung on that ladder. In converse, you can actually oftentimes take a higher interest rate in exchange for what are called lender credits, which would help offset some of your closing costs and paid for by the lender. So it's certainly a very important part of the process that a lot of people may not be aware of, but you're not in a situation where you only have one interest rate available to you. You actually have a whole set of interest rates available to you. But those points are certainly a way to lower your interest rate and your payment as well.
So it would be a better idea for me to pay points if I was going to be in the house for a short period of time or for a long period of time?
It does take several years to recuperate those points that you pay up front, so I certainly like to recommend using that as a gauge when you choose to pay those points. But if you are going to be in the home for, let's say, roughly 6 to 8 years, you're very likely going to be at a point beyond that where it's more than paid for itself. I certainly would not recommend paying points down if you're only going to be in the home for a few years.
Well, thank you. Thank you for being here today. If someone wanted to reach out to you, how could they get a hold of you?
The best way to do that is by either calling or texting me on my cell phone at 936-499-6740. If you prefer to reach out to me on my webpage, it's conanhenry.com. So that's www.conanhenry.com. And lastly, I would like to encourage everyone out there to please help us by liking and sharing this video. We would certainly appreciate that.